Hello, my name is Bill Heslop. I'm a 40-year member of the WSBA. I'm a past president of the WSBA, and I'm currently serving as the United States Attorney for the Eastern District of Washington. In my career, I've appeared in front of many judges in many courts in this state, and it is with that background that it gives me a great deal of personal pride to present to you WSBA's 2020 Outstanding Judge Award. This award is presented for outstanding service to the bench and for special contribution to the legal profession at any level of the court. An outstanding judge is a person who is bright, who can set aside personal ego and agenda and bias. An outstanding judge is a person who brings great respect to the justice system and all that the judge does. An outstanding judge is a person who determines the law applicable to the case, determines and believes in legal precedent and stare decisis, is a good listener, and is fair. Those qualities describe this year's recipient of WSBA's Outstanding Judge Award, the Honorable Michael McCarthy, is receiving this year's award posthumously. Judge McCarthy's legacy includes a 20-year career on the bench in Yakima County. He came to the state of Washington from Massachusetts while serving as a VISTA volunteer. He later served in the Yakima County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, on the Yakima County District Court bench, and ultimately on the Yakima County Superior Court bench. He also served Kittitas, Benton, and in Franklin counties on the Superior Court when they had conflict cases. Sadly, Judge McCarthy passed away from cancer in February of 2020, and so we present this to his family and to his legacy posthumously. We honor his service to the bench, to the public, to the bar, and to the legal profession. He was widely respected as a jurist, as a dynamic and upstanding judge, and he made a lasting, positive impact upon the legal community in Yakima County. In presenting this year's WSBA Outstanding Judge Award, we all send heartfelt congratulations to Judge McCarthy's family. His legacy is to remind us that in all we do, we serve the community and we seek fairness in all we do. And so I congratulate Judge McCarthy's legacy. I congratulate and thank Judge McCarthy's family and present this year's Outstanding Judge Award to the Honorable Michael McCarthy.
Judge McCarthy was quite a character. I would call him a large character in the community. He had an East Coast accent, an East Coast sense of humor, and when you saw him coming, you knew if there was a twinkle in his eye, he was going to say something brilliant and generally quite funny.
Unequivocally, he is probably one of the finest minds, legal minds that we've ever had serve on the Yakima County bench, and quite frankly, I think that was also statewide.
Judge McCarthy will be remembered for his service, both in court and outside of court. He deserves this award because of his hard work, his deep knowledge in the law, and because he made sure that justice happened every day in his court.
I nominated Superior Court Judge Michael McCarthy for the Apex Outstanding Judge Award because I wanted to honor the over 40 years of public service that he gave to the taxpayers of Yakima County.
He moved from being a public servant as a prosecutor into the bench. He took on the most difficult criminal trials for a number of years.
I'd say he was the workhorse of this court. He loved the law, and he was our top litigation judge for many, many years, and was always considered by the parties to be fair and impartial and well-reasoned.
He never came across as though he didn't care. what you saw as he went and progressed from district court through superior court is a sense of jurisprudence, of the ability for him to make sure that the attorneys knew why he ruled a certain way and that he was trying to make the best decision under the law possible. What I saw that really made a difference for me is his time and effort in making sure that law enforcement officers and law enforcement agencies up and down the valley, whether it be in court or whether it be out on the street, did the right thing.
And he began teaching some criminal justice classes at Heritage University. And he just became almost like a pillar down there. And I had no idea until he was sick. So many kids came to his memorial, and a couple of them even spoke about how he had changed their lives. One of his favorite charities was called the Christmas Express. He would get the names and the ages of kids, typically 2 families, and he would head that up at the courthouse for people to get Christmas gifts.
This is a man that really did give all these years back to this community. He really won't be forgotten by the people of Yakima County. I congratulate Christina, Michael, Kennedy, and Jack for the love that they gave him and the love that he showed to them.
Christina and Mike's family, I just want to congratulate you on this posthumous award for Mike. He truly deserves this, and I will miss him. And I know that everyone around here already misses him.